How to view completed tasks in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the My Task option. In here, it will show me all my recently assigned tasks and then completed tasks. But if you want to view all your completed tasks, what you need to do is to go back on the left part of the screen and then tap on the Home option. In here, we'll have to scroll down and then go here on this My Task option. In here, you will be given 3 choices from upcoming, overdue, and then completed. So what we need to do is to tap on this completed option. In here, it will show us all the completed tasks that we have on our account. If we want to view a completed task, what we need to do is to tap on the task that we want to view. So in here, it will show us all the details that we have on our task. So that's how easy we can view completed tasks in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.